start the recording. Yes, Abudi. Can you read for us?
Okay. For some species, the bloom is just the means to an end. Flower
Yes.
show is really about making seeds, and the object of the game is persistence through hill or high water.
Yeah.
Both
Yeah,
of
this is
which
through hill or high water is an idiom here. What does it mean?
uh,
Another idiom through thick and thin. Yeah, whatever the conditions are, they can still grow. You see what I mean?
yes,
Yeah, all right. So, and it's a means to an end. What does a means to an end mean? It's also an idiom. So it's a way to reach a goal. It's a way to reach a goal, like wasila لغاية. Have you heard this in Arabic before?
yes.
wasila لغاية. Yeah, what's the end? That's producing seeds. All right, for some species or species. Very good, Abudi Habib. Okay, now we have two idioms here. All right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Both of which are features of the Sonoran
Desert.
Desert.
That's the desert in Arizona. It's called
Yes.
Sonoran Desert. Yeah, very good.
In winter, when snow is falling on much of North America, we get slow, drizzly rains
Mhm.
that can last for days and soak the whole region to its core.
Yeah.
The Navajo, the
Navajo.
Navajo,
Navajo.
Navajo
Yeah.
call these female rains,
Uh-huh.
as
And this is
opposed.
what kind of figurative language is here? Female rains. Can the rain be in female and male, or this is just
No,
personification?
think personification.
Very good. This is called figurative language. I love you. Very good. Yeah.
As opposed to the male rains
Yeah.
of
This
late
is
summer.
another example of
Personification.
personification. Yeah.
Yes. Those rowdy
Thunderstorm.
thunderstorms that briefly disrupt the hot afternoons, drenching one small plot of ground while the next hill over remains parched.
Yes.
It is the female rains that affect spring flowering, and in some years, such as 1998, in the
The benefaction.
benefaction trails
Mhm.
steadily from winter
Winter.
on into
Yeah,
spring.
that means the benefaction referring to the rain, of course. The blessed rain. Oh, you know what I mean by blessed? Blessed like mubaraka, because this is
Yeah.
amtar baraka, like we say. That's kind.
Yes.
The blessed rain steadily continued from winter to into spring. All right, in others, yeah. After a lick,
After a lick and a promise, the weather dries up for good.
after that, the weather dried up for good. Okay, so we were supposed to have studied this before. This is only revision, Abdullah. So, but however, if you have any questions, please let me know. Do you have any questions about the meaning of any words here, or you understand what's going on here?
I understand everything.
Type. I have well, okay, it's coming anyway. Question one. Can you read and answer question one, please?
King Solver uses figurative language not meant to be taken literally.
Literally, like حرفيا,
Literally.
not the exact meaning of the phrase or the word. That's
Yes.
what we call figurative language, like simile. We talked about idioms, and I have already highlighted a couple of examples above. Okay, so to describe inanimate like things or objects that don't
Yes.
have life. All right. Yeah.
Object as having humans characteristic.
Yeah.
Find examples of this kind of figurative language personification in the upper paragraph.
Yeah. Yeah.
Female range
Very
and
good.
male range.
Very good.
This is
And
two.
also we have rowdy thunderstorm. Well, you know what rowdy means?
No.
If a child or even if a man is rowdy, or even if it's hard to control or difficult to control or something like that. So let's check the dictionary as I told you before yesterday. Okay, so rowdy, what does rowdy mean? So if there is a rowdy party or a rowdy behavior, that means noisy and possibly violent. Okay.
Yes.
So she described the thunderstorms as being also rowdy, and normally we use this adjective for kids or people who are misbehaving. You see what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, Habibi. So can you read the answer, please?
First flower are described as persistent.
Yeah,
Line
very good. You know
59.
what does persistent mean?
No, I think yeah.
Persistent, like someone who is persistent, that he keeps on doing something and he never gives up. Like Abdullah is a persistent person. He's after his goal. He's trying to reach his goal, and he's trying to excel in English. That's why he's persistent on attending all the
Yes.
classes. So what does
مستمر.
persistent? Yes, very good. مصر أو yeah, doing something persistent. Very good. Doing something continuously.
I think with E. T-E.
How did I write it?
Right. T-A.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Very good. Okay. So this is the word. Yeah, lasting for a long time or difficult to get rid of. This is one meaning. Someone who is persistent, continues doing something, or tries to do something and is determined, and in a determined way, but often unreasonable way. Okay, Habibi? So that's what we talk about. And this is the thesaurus. These are words which is close, but of course it depends on the context, because words in different contexts has more than one meaning. Okay, so another example is, of course, these are the lines according to the book, not according to the passage above.
Yes.
According to the book, yeah. Okay.
Range and male range are male and female lines. 63, 64.
Very good. Male rains are rowdy.
Rowdy, line 64.
Very good. Let's move on to question 2.
How does this language affect how the reader perceives this information?
I told you before. Normally, even in our everyday or casual conversation, sometimes we use a simile, we use figurative language to make it easier for the listener to imagine or visualize how it is like, how the situation was like, how I felt like, how I behaved like, how things were like, stuff like that. Okay, so what do you think? Why would the Navajo describe the rain as female rain? What do female symbolize? Because normally female are connected with female beings. Any female being is connected with fertility and reproduction.
Yes.
What do I mean by fertility, Abudi, and reproduction?
إنتاج أو
very good أو التكاثر أو الإخصاب أو الخصوبة. Yeah, so that's why. And male, for example, if there is a male sheep, for example, can it conceive a baby sheep? No. Right? So they are connected with that non-production, especially for primitive, because the Navajo is a primitive Indian tribe.
Yes.
See what I mean? So, can you read the answer for us, please?
It makes the natural world seems more alive.
Yes, very good. By giving life to non-living things, all right? Whether through personification or through figurative language. Okay, what does the word benefaction mean here? We said the benefaction, referring to the rain, the blessed rain, right?
Yes. I think maybe it comes like help. Or,
yes, very good. Yes, very good. Or a gift from Allah Azza wa Jal. Yeah, that's why we say we normally, even in Arabic, we call them the blessed rain or the blessing rain. The amtar al-baraka or amtar al-khair. Yeah, very good. So what does the author describe as benefaction? So he is referring to what? He's alluding to what? He's referring to what?
He describes the females.
Very
Rains.
good. The rain that fell in 1998, that spring of 1998 rain. All right.
Yes.
Very good, love. She described and exactly what you said here. The female rains as benefaction or a gift to the seeds from the Saharan desert. What benefaction desert seeds receives? Of course, they received long soaking rainfall, and this is easy. It's a no-brainer, right?
Yes.
All right. In the above exhibit, what's the aim? We said it's an aim to an end, right? What's a means to an end? End here means like aim or goal. What's the aim of the flowering? If plants flower, what happens after the flowering stage or phase in the plant cycle, life cycle?
I think it gives seeds.
Yes, very good, to
So
produce
they
seeds.
can,
Very good, to produce seeds. I love you, man. Very good. This is another exhibit, and I'm gonna have to put it until tomorrow, inshallah. Or would you like to continue?
I don't know. I think any class.
Yeah, I want to
Time.
make it easier for you so that, so that
Yes.
you can have a read quickly. Okay, love, I know this is a very long worksheet, but we studied it in class. I hope you still remember it. Okay, so do you have any questions before I leave you, love?
Thank you.
Okay, if you have the time, please have a read, a quick read. It should be easy. You're good. You know it all. And prepare for tomorrow's class, inshallah. See you tomorrow at 2:30, all right?
Sure.
Have a very good day, love. Thank you very much.